Prime Minister Narendra Modi's debut at an international summit. But on his agenda, first, a bilateral meet with the Chinese President Xi Jinping. This is the fourth high-level meet between the two countries after Modi took charge, an indication of a growing comfort zone between the two most popular nations on the planet. The meeting, which was scheduled for 40 minutes, extended to 80 minutes, with both sides sending out the right message.
ब्रिक्स समिट के इस अवसर पर भारत और चीन की इस मुलाकात का सविशेष महत्व है.
China is viewing this meeting as well as partnership with India with a great deal of expectation, and the fact that India and China together can raise the level of the game as far as emerging markets in the world are concerned.
India managed to score a point when the Prime Minister was invited to the APEC meet. India also managed to raise issues like intrusions and resolution of the boundary issue.
Any India and China discussion also takes into account the unresolved issue of the boundary question. Prime Minister mentioned that there was a need to address this. He said there was a need to find a solution. Maintenance of peace and tranquility on the border was essential.
Xi Jinping will visit India in September, and the Prime Minister will also travel to China. In fact, India plans to take up the lopsided trade relations between the two countries.
All of us need a long-term infrastructure investment related bank, and it is a major step because emerging countries do have issues about getting finance.
And tonight, the five nations will meet to sign the setting up of a development bank with an initial pool of $50 billion. The idea is to end the US and European monopoly on the World Bank and the IMF. The BRICS will also set up a $100 billion contingency pool, which could be available by 2015 to help any of its members if they are hit by a sudden loss of foreign capital. It took 2 years of tough negotiations to get all the stakeholders on board. While China wanted to pool in more funds, India was keen to keep all stakeholders equal, so as to keep Chinese hegemony at bay. India has played a lead role in the setting up of the bank and now wants the bank's headquarters in India, and is also pushing for the first shot at the 5-year presidency of the bank, something that would give India top global billing. Bureau Report, ET Now, New Delhi.